The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, family? So it's Friday, a trap day, you know, but I decided to hop in. Same account right now. I'm gonna draw down like $500. But the reason why I got in this trade, right? I see a clear bounce here, clear rejection, right? Pushing up. And then I also, when you look at the RSI, it's headed to the 75. So I got some room for a buy. All right, it's headed up there. It's getting close. So I now got room for a good push. News is hitting. So I mean, it was hitting, but hopefully it still shoots up. But I've been expecting it to shoot back up here. So I just been holding, and I believe it will. Right now it is rejecting right off of this right here, this candle right here. This is where the market is having trouble getting past. So once we get past that again, I believe the market is gonna shoot up here to try to match over here. And then, yeah, that's what we looking at, y'all. So I got some pretty heavy positions on here just because I'm confident in this trade. So I'll be back when we see what happens. Let's go. On you guys, you see it, man. The push is really happening. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 500. I know I can get a little bit more out of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that. But that leave me at 521. Yes, sir. Man, the push is finally happening. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good. I'm sure it's gonna push way up, but that's a good $500 for the day. And it's only 8:34 in the morning. Come on now. And I called it out to the group, you know, just to let them know what time it was. You know, easy money, man. But hey, like I said, you learn the skill and you can do it anytime you want. All right. I'll be back in just a minute explaining some more things. So let's talk about it, man. So you see the $521 for the day, okay? So let's go back, of course, to the 29th of April. And let's just see. So that's $3,700 since the 29th of April. Y'all see it right there, all right? So let me go here with it. The account, like I said, is now at $4,600. I've been growing this account from $1,000, and now it's at $4,600 easy. But now, look at this, guys. This is what I was telling y'all. So if you look at the market currently right now, it's already starting to make another push up. Why is it making a push up? The reason why is because it did a pullback right here. The pullback bounced off of this zone. Boom. Now it's shooting up. All right. So why did I mark that zone right there? If you look to the left, you can see, let me zoom in. Hold on. Let me, you can see this candle. If you can't see this long candle right here with this wick, you see where it dropped down, touched right here, and it rejected. So that let me know that was a strong zone. So all you had to do was go ahead and put you a line there. And as you can see, the market came straight up, came down and rejected at that same zone, headed straight back up. Now I got out probably somewhere in here. I think maybe somewhere in here. And I could have caught the rest of the move up, probably been at $1,000 today. But I decided to cut, I mean, you know, not cut my loss, but I decided to cut my profit early, which is fine. It's perfect when you do that because it's not being greedy. You know what I mean? And so now it did the pullback. It was actually pushing back up. And then let me go here to H4 so I can see. This will be the place right here where we believe the market will come to. Boom. All right. And so that's the next level I believe it will go to. But this wasn't based off the RSI. This was pretty much based off of, if I go to the H1, when I zoomed out, I just saw the market clearly pushed up, came back, retested. So off of that retest off the 200 moving average, I said, oh, okay, well, bet. If it didn't break the 200 moving average, since the 200 moving average is a powerful moving average and it really controls the trend, if it bounces off of that, then it's only right that it's heading up. But then when I took a look at the RSI down here, I saw how close down here the market got to the 75. Now it's pushing down. I believe it may push back up, get it, and then eventually drop. But right now, it's giving me exactly what I wanted. So that's what resulted in the $500 for the day. And this is how you trade Forex, man. Easy money. Imagine waking up every single day and getting this money. Imagine, you know, not having to go work for nobody. Imagine buying and doing whatever you want on your own time and your own terms. That's what Forex is. Once you learn it, it's night and day. You can print money all day long. Disclaimer, like I said, I don't know your work ethic. I don't know your skill set or how often you really put into these markets, like how much time, how much effort and energy. So I can't promise you that you're going to be a successful trader. Most traders aren't. And that's just because they're either too greedy or they just don't study enough or they give up too easy. You know what I'm saying? But those of you who do stick around in these markets, you'll be great at it. You'll be great at it. Okay. So I didn't really look at no indices today. Even though I could have got in today on this indice. Oh, this was looking good. I already see zones. I see that zone, another zone here, you know, clear zones all through here and right here. Market is already pushing up, you know, may come back and retest and then push back up. But, well, let me look at it. Yeah, it's already heading to the RSI, the 75 RSI on this one. So it's gonna make a push up, pull back, and then may end up going back up. But if you look at the overall, let's see the overall trend. The overall trend is downwards. So with that being said, it is gonna push up, but it may end up, you know, pushing up a little bit and then dropping back down. We'll see. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. We got our profit for today, so we ain't tripping about nothing else. All right. So that's how you trade Forex, man. Just being able to hop in the market, in and out, you know, it's a blessing to me and my family. I know it's going to be a blessing to you, so don't give up on it. Keep doing it every day until you figure it out and learn how to print this money. Easy. Let's go.